Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace high beam headlight bulb on Mercedes E-Class, the generation from 2003 to 2009. This one has non-xenon headlights. So as you know, those are the high beams bulbs, the little ones. So in order to remove it, guys, you need to open the hood now. Okay, let me get here as good of an angle as we can because it's such a limited room, to be honest with you. Okay, so that's where the bulb is. Okay, so you need to turn counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise about 30 degrees. Okay, it's the top bulb there, the big one. The little one is for park lights. Okay, so let's turn it now. Okay, so let's turn it now. Okay, and you pull it out after that. Okay guys, this is the bulb right here. Never touch the bulb with your fingers, the new bulbs, because the oil from your fingers will make them burn fast. So always use gloves when you install the new bulb, even when you remove the old one, because there is a possibility it will always break. So you need to pull it out, don't twist, just pull up. Okay, straight out of there. Okay, so this is the bulb for that 2003 model specifically. Okay, it's H7 bulb, that's the number if you need it. So we're ready to install this one now, guys. You need to make sure that you push it in. It goes only one way. Okay, you need to make sure that you get it right. Okay, push it in like that. And now you need to get it in the slots there and turn it clockwise, about 30 degrees again. There is not enough room to get the camera there, guys. Okay, it might take you a few minutes if you've never done that before. Okay, we almost got it tied. Let me see if we can find something from this side. Okay, you can see, okay, right there, that's the bulb. Okay, almost. Okay, so let's get it there. Okay, so when you're done, that's the position that it should be in. Okay, let me try to get as much light here as possible and maybe get the camera in there, but I don't think it will be possible. Probably made you dizzy. Okay, so that's how you guys get it done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.